Government shutdown and travel, what you need to know. Imagine a bustling airport filled with eager travelers. Now picture it grinding to a halt. During a government shutdown, essential services like TSA and air traffic control continue, but at a cost. Unpaid workers, long lines, and slowed operations create chaos that impacts millions of passengers. Traveling during a shutdown isn't just inconvenient, it's a guessing game. Government disruptions ripple through airports, passport offices, and beyond, leaving countless plans on shaky ground. Let's break down what you can expect and how to stay one step ahead. TSA agents and air traffic controllers are deemed essential, so they keep working, but they aren't paid during a shutdown. This leads to low morale, fewer staff showing up, and longer security lines. Busy travel periods, like the winter holidays, become logistical nightmares. With fewer resources and growing stress, delays or even flight cancellations aren't uncommon. If you're flying, plan for extra time at security checkpoints. Peak periods could feel like survival of the fittest. Preparation is your best ally in avoiding airport headaches. Need a new passport or renewal? During a shutdown, that could take far longer or grind to a halt entirely since these services aren't prioritized. For international trips, this means delays or canceled plans if your paperwork isn't already in order. The bottom line, if you're even thinking about traveling abroad, apply for your passport now. Unpredictable wait times during a shutdown make early planning a critical step for avoiding last-minute complications. Shutdowns don't just affect travelers, they hit the entire travel industry hard. Airlines, hotels, and tourism-dependent businesses lose billions when delays and cancellations deter potential customers. Reduced traveler spending means rippling damage across the economy, especially during peak travel seasons. These financial impacts highlight just how intertwined government operations are with travel. A single disruption creates cascading effects that spread far beyond the initial point of failure, hurting workers and businesses alike. Picture trying to navigate airport delays but with a winter storm thrown into the mix. Meteorological chaos amplifies the frustration you may already face during a shutdown. With fewer resources available, bad weather can make an already stressful trip nearly impossible. Knowing this, it's wise to double-check weather reports before departure and consider alternate routes or rescheduling if conditions worsen. Flexibility becomes a survival skill when the skies and government operations are unpredictable. Preparation is key. Arrive early for flights, travel light, and stay updated on security line wait times using apps. This cuts down on stress and keeps you informed amidst uncertainty. For international trips, advanced planning is your lifeline. Handle passport issues well in advance of travel dates. Flexibility matters just as much. If something goes wrong, knowing your backup options can save the day. Keep communication lines open with airlines and accommodation providers to navigate sudden changes or cancellations. Government shutdowns may seem out of your control, but some systemic fixes can help reduce their impact. Temporary funding for essential travel services and legislated contingency plans could prevent chaos. Pressure on policymakers to prioritize travel operations can create meaningful change. By creating a plan that prioritizes essential services like TSA workers and passport offices during shutdowns, the cascade of fallout could be minimized. Advocacy for these policy changes ensures smoother travel even when governmental gridlocks arise. Staying informed is the most powerful tool at your disposal. Use reliable sources to track shutdown news, prepare early for any possible delays or disruptions, and share this knowledge with others. When you're aware of the stakes, you can navigate obstacles with confidence. Don't let government uncertainty derail your travel plans. Be proactive, plan ahead, and empower yourself with strategies to minimize disruption. Hit the like button and share this video. It could be the game changer someone else needs. Safe travels.